Hi guys, I'm Riddhi. Welcome back to my channel. आज से नवरात्रि स्टार्ट हो चुकी है, so I decided why not do something and enjoy this festival घर बैठे. Every year during Navratri, there's a color forecast that happens according to that particular year. So I decided why not style outfits according to the days and its color forecast. This way, I also give you a heads up as to what color to wear which day. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. For day 1, the color that's been forecasted is the color grey. I've raided my mom's closet for this look. I did not want to style the sari in the conventional ways, so I started experimenting with the drapes. It was tough. I substituted the basic blouse and petticoat with a high-waisted pant and a grey crop top. I've pleated the sari and tucked in the normal way but took the pallu at the front, further tucking it into the pants. Added a nice dainty silver belt, some oxidized earrings and rings, and few silver bangles to finish the look. I absolutely love how this look turned out. For day 2, the color that has been forecasted is the color orange. Now, let's be honest you guys, we all have that one anarkali dress lying at the back of our closet. Now is the time to take that dress out. No one's judging, let's keep this look basic but also classic. Here all I have done is paired my dress with a nice golden statement earring to finish the look. That's all you needed. Day 3 is dedicated to white this year. You all must be knowing my love for a good tailored shirt by now. For day 3, I took out another forgotten classics of all time, the salwar. I'm wearing a self-stitched salwar with a white shirt that's knotted at the front, further accessorizing it heavily with a choker, a kamarband and few rings. To make the hem of my salwar tapered or narrow, all I had done is grab an elastic and tie a knot on the sides of my hem and tuck it in. Go to my Instagram reels to check how exactly I do this. And now that you are already here on my Instagram, please make sure that you follow me. Red is what we wear on day 4. I've kept it pretty basic. All I have done is paired my red kurta with a half jacket that I got from my trip to Assam. Added an oxidized earring to finish the look. Trust me guys, this is a perfect last minute Garba outfit. But make sure you're wearing your most comfortable denims. On day 5, blue is what we have to wear. This look is for all my lovelies who are traveling to work this year and could not get the time to plan an outfit. Take out your formal or palazzo pants from your kurti cords and pair it up with a solid color top, further adding a colorful embroidered jacket and a colorful neck piece to oomph up the look. There you have it, your last minute outfit that looks pre-planned. For day 6, the color forecasted is my favorite, yellow. This actually is my last minute outfit idea during the shoot as well. I took an oversized t-shirt from my brother's closet actually, and again to make this look festive, I added colorful choker and my recent favorite earrings and some colorful rings. Also, I tied my hair into a side ponytail, further framing my face by taking out the bangs at the front. For day 7, we have to wear the color green. Now, I don't really own a leaf green color to be specific. All I had was this baggy pants that have hints of green onto it. I'm wearing the pants along with the same white shirt previously shown. This time, I tried styling the shirt as an angrakha by overlapping one side onto the other, added a choker and an oxidized earring and an anklet on one leg to finish the look. Day 8 asks for peacock green. Now looking up to Google to figure out the color, Google showed me a bottle green or dark green color as peacock green. Here I've styled my self-stitch kalidar kurta with a ghagra. The ghagra is black but you can wear colors like white, gold, maroon, etc. Because my kurta had a gold foil print and my ghagra also has heavy gold work on the border, I took out my bachpan ke Bharatnatyam shows ke jewelry, the necklace and these small golden jhumkis. I tied my hair at the side to enhance the collared kurti and the jewelry. For day 9, the color forecasted is the color purple. I decided to let my colorful dupatta be the centerpiece of this look. I'm wearing an all-white outfit, shirt and jeans and added this fulkari dupatta as an halter neck to finish the look. Check out my Instagram to see a tutorial on how I achieved this look. That's all folks. I hope you liked this video as it was pretty last minute for myself as well. Please ignore the bad lighting for this one. I promise to be better next time. Please like, share and comment what you would like to see next on my channel and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you super soon. Bye.